Welcome to another amazing GCN Tech unboxing. And this week, we have a prize that you can wear. The brand new Assos S9 bib shorts. Now, as ever with a GCN Tech unboxing, there's a chance to win. And we're not just giving away one pair, we have 5 pairs to give away. And so to be in with a chance to win, make sure you subscribe to the GCN Tech channel and click the little bell icon so that you get a notification so you don't miss any videos in the future. And for full details, stay tuned to the end of the video. But for now, I think we should have a look at the shorts and crack the box open. I do love the packaging that Assos stuff comes in. It's always really nice. Fortunately, we get plenty of it here at GCN. Very lucky indeed. Here you go, here are the shorts. Nice, aren't they? Now, you know that rumour that presenters and newsreaders are all secretly naked from the waist down? Well, yeah. Sorry about that. Anyway, if there's one thing that's synonymous with cyclists, apart from bikes, it's lycra cycling shorts. But it's quite surprising when you remember that they're not actually that old. It wasn't until Tony Meyer, the founder of Assos, created the world's first cycling short made from lycra in 1976. Word of their superior comfort quickly spread throughout the peloton, and by the 1980s, all the pros were no longer wearing wool shorts. Since then, where others have followed, Assos has continually led the way, always striving to improve and perfect cycling shorts. And that has led to this, the S9 short, the evolutionary pinnacle of that process. 6 years of design and development went into the new short, and they've been completely redesigned from the outgoing S7 model. Now, key to that redesign is a feature that Assos calls A-lock engineering. Put simply, it's a new way of attaching the bib straps to the short in order to make them more comfortable. Assos says that it's designed to help hold the chamois pad securely in place to stop it moving and getting out of position when you get out of the saddle or, say, if you're cornering hard. In the past, it was said that the more lycra panels that a short had, then the superior the fit, but this was down to the limitations of lycra. However, fabric technology has improved a lot, and this now means that Assos is able to still have an awesome fit, but reduce the number of panels used in the construction. In fact, the S9 uses a 2-panel construction. Assos uses what they call a butterfly panel, which wraps around the legs and up at the back to form the ergoBox structure. Now, the advantage of this is that you can have far fewer seams in the shorts, and fewer seams means less potential areas for irritation. And also, it creates a really smooth and sleek look to the short. Another cool feature I really want to show you are these new leg grippers, and they're made from a new fabric which is designed to really grip your skin well and not move about, but they're also nice and wide to spread the pressure evenly and stop you getting sausage legs. Anyone that's worn a pair of Assos shorts will attest that the pads are legendary. And in the new S9 short, it's been modified to be even more comfortable and lower volume than before. The S7 pad, that was purple. They've changed it to grey now as a cosmetic change, but there's also increased ventilation in the form of these perforations at the front. And this is something that Assos calls the crater cooler. Well, that should help keep my meteorite cool. Now for the part you've all been waiting for. How do I win a pair of the awesome new Assos S9 bib shorts? Well, it's super simple. Simply click on the link in the description below, and that will take you to our giveaways page. Follow the instructions, enter your details, and you'll be in with a chance of winning these awesome shorts. Well, not these exact ones. I promise the ones that you win will be new and unworn, not these ones. Also, make sure you check out the GCN shop. We've got a sale on at the moment with all manner of goodies for you, including our very own Assos GCN kit. And for another video, you can click down here and see Si's visit to the Assos HQ, where you'll see the real Assos man, not just my pound shop version.